All right, welcome back, fifth graders. Hopefully you got a chance to work out the problem for number 6 and was able to figure out 2/5 plus 2/5, and that should have been an answer of 4/5. So I'm hoping you were able to figure that out. Again, if you take a look at the check for understanding, it says to draw a bar model to show 5/8 plus 1/8. So all they're asking you to do is, at the bottom of this sheet, on a separate sheet of paper, just simply draw a bar like you see on the top of this page. Break it up into 8 separate pieces, shade in 5, shade in 1, maybe shade in 5, slash through 1, do something different so that you can kind of show us the meaning. And again, there's no real thing to turn in, there's nothing to show me about that, but just do it to practice for yourself. Maybe you can ask your parents if that looks right, or you can bring it into school the next time we have class together. All right? That's all for this video. I really didn't have a ton to do, but I was about ready to run out of time on my old video, and I wanted to make sure that you got an answer for that question. Also, I wanted to remind you to make sure that you do the exit ticket. Make sure you are doing that assignment. It's the green puzzle piece. There should be, I think, 5 or 6 questions there, but they all are relating to similar stuff that we just handled in class. So please practice this skill on that assignment. It shouldn't be too hard, shouldn't be too time consuming. If it is, make sure you're asking me questions through Schoology Messenger or through email. More than likely Schoology Messenger for you guys would be the best. Let me know if you have a question about something. Okay, the quicker we ask those questions, the quicker I can respond. Remember also that I will have office hours, and we'll talk about those more when you get into class in person. All right? Have a great day, fifth graders. Finish that assignment, and I look forward to seeing you for lesson 2.